What's up you guys, I'm Raspreet Gill, welcome to the channel. And I'm going to break down something with a very heart to you guys today. Yeah, I ended up selling my 9-year-old Skoda Superb. That was something so difficult to do with all the memories that I had loaded with. And then now my dad, he said he wanted something a little bit with a height. And so I made it right out here today to pick up the Volkswagen Taigun. So I'm inside the VW showroom, which is VW downtown. It's owned by Shaman. And I was almost about to pick up a Passat from here about, 9 years ago, but we ended up picking up the Superb. And now at last I've made it here again. And I'm surrounded by the Taiguns. On this side, we got the Vortis right out there as well. So behind me right out here is a Taigun that's actually been wrapped. And this is something that we can actually think about doing to this car once we unveil it. And begin using it and then figure out. But this is one fancy looking grayed out matte wrap right out here. Right out here is the Vortis. And it's something that I also looked at pretty strongly. But then, I wanted to get out of the sedan thing and move into an SUV. Although this is a baby SUV, the Taigun, but I think we've made it there at last. I just showed that.
Oh my god.
So you finally got that 7337 back again. It's part of the family.
Should I become so conscious here?
You see, she shoots our videos, but she can't shoot herself. So the reason we actually picked the Taigun over the other cars that were lined up, I guess the number one reason was obviously that was that baby SUV element in it, and also because of the delivery timelines being the least, or probably I did a lot of stuff to make sure it turned out to be the least waiting time. And we looked at the i20 N-Line. We also had the Vortis, but the Vortis being launched just barely a week or 10 days ago. It was, I think, seeming more than a couple of months to wait for it. But the Taigun is where we're at now. The 1.5 GT TSI with, of course, the DSG in it. And I think it's called the GT Plus. That's the variant that we've gone in for. Probably, try and figure out some more stuff to do with this engine and all. So I've got good plans for this car. We're going to keep you guys in the loop. Probably tweaking things like just the way we did with the Skodas in the past. And now we moved on to Volkswagen. Anyhow, let's get out of here, go out there and wheel that car and take her home.
12 seconds later.
1, 3. So this is it.
Let's do the puja.
The Taigun, the 1.5 GT, the TSI.
Yes, sir.
With the DSG.
Yes.
Thank you, Hardik.
Congratulations.
Thank you. These are 17 inches.
Yes.
Yeah, 205 55 R17, and we got good here. That's a good thing. But we get drum brakes at the rear. And I love the dual tone, and these are actual proper roof rails, no?
Yes,
Functional roof rails on the Taigun out here. We have window shades that are actually not from the door panels, they've been stuck on. And that's a full-size spare wheel in there, it's no space saver.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
We need to get these interiors.
I've done it.
We got it. I was hoping you did it first, Tony.